I picked up a few supplies from the Dollar Tree, which include my favorite kind of toothpaste, which is the Colgate white. It's like the optic white with charcoal, but any kind of toothpaste will work for this. Get 4 boxes of whatever your favorite toothpaste is, and then get a thing of mouthwash. Doesn't matter the brand. Again, I got all this from the Dollar Tree. And then get a soap dispenser. This happens to be the best Dollar Tree hack ever. It's so great, and it takes less than 5 minutes to do. First thing you do is get your first tube of toothpaste, put it in a bowl. I picked a bowl that had a pouring spout on it, but you wouldn't have to. But I think it will make it a little bit easier in the end. You'll see why. Okay, now we're going to do our second tube of toothpaste. Look how cool it looks, like an art project in here. And actually, as I was doing this, I was thinking of a lot of art things that I could do. Wait a minute, I got to interrupt. And that is to remind you, don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell to all, and then you'll be notified when we go live, because a lot of you were asking me, I didn't know you went live. I do go live once in a while, or anytime I put up new content. So ding, 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 ring the bell. Okay. All right, now we're gonna get our third tube. And I know this sounds crazy that we're using 4 tubes of toothpaste, but once this is done, this is gonna last for a very long time. All right, here's my 4th tube of toothpaste. You could actually do with this size of dispenser up to 6 boxes, but I'm doing 4 for now. Now we're gonna get our mouthwash, and we're gonna put some mouthwash in there. It's all about getting the right consistency. I'm gonna call it a 1/2 cup. As you can see, I measured precisely. Not. The main thing is that you just get it in the right consistency. So we're going to blend this together, and it took me all of about 10 seconds to get it all blended, and then I can check the consistency. Now, you want it to be like liquid soap. If it's too thick or too thin, add more toothpaste or add more mouthwash. Okay, now that we have it so that it's the consistency of liquid soap, we're ready to put it into our dispenser. Now, you could get a funnel if you were fancy, but I was trying to get this all done in under 5 minutes, and I didn't have a funnel on hand, so I just used my rubber spatula that I got from the Dollar Tree and started to pour. Now, I got a little bit impatient and tried to pour a little bit too fast, but the idea is kind of lift your bowl up higher and it'll start pouring in. Now, if you make a little mistake and have some pour out over the edge, no big deal. It cleans up very easily. Now, you can use different colors of dispensers, whichever one matches with, oops, look at me, making a mess. I'll just use my rubber spatula, scoop it in there the best I can, and whatever's left over, I'm just going to seal the top, and then I can just put it over the sink and rinse that mouthwash and toothpaste right off. Lickety split, no harm done. All right, that's all there is to it. What do you think? Then your toothpaste is ready to brush, brush, brush. Now, I wanted to put some tags on my dispenser so that people wouldn't get mixed up and think that it was soap. So you can use different types of tags. I like picking up these chalkboard tags that you get at the Dollar Tree, and with some chalk, a pen, and some Velcro. Now, they have different sizes of these, different times of the year, different times. So it doesn't matter which one it is, just any one of these would work. And I love them because they look already pre-done. This particular one has a clip on the back. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't. Either one will work just fine. You can pop that off if you want. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on. It's fine. And then you can write toothpaste on it, or whatever you might want to write on. And that makes it so, again, we can do this whole entire project for under 5 minutes worth of time. Now, I'm going to add this with some Velcro because I want to be able to pop it off and wash it, scrub it down, put it back on, because of course it's going to be in a bathroom that needs to be cleaned, and that's why I love Velcro. And then also, if I want to use different tags, I could actually do different holidays or whatever. So I love Velcroing things on, and voila. What do you think? under 5 minutes. What a brilliant way to make a beautiful toothpaste dispenser. And again, you could add your own little tags if you wanted to just print them off, glue them on, maybe put some Mod Podge to seal the deal. And that's all there is to it. I will put a link down below if you want to go to my blog to get free printable templates for these tags that I show here. That is my idea of a good time. Thank you so much. If you want to see more videos like this, click this one right here or this one right here, and I'll see you again soon. See ya.